Lesson 6, Drink. Once again, this is a great opportunity to use your Irish, so repeat after me. Would you like a drink? Wa leat dich. Do you drink tea? An ólan tú té. Would you like a cup of coffee? Wa leat cupán café. Have you got decaffeinated coffee? An bhfuil café gan caffeine agat. I like tap water with ice. Is maithlumm isce ón scon le lecair. The kids love lemonade. Is breá leis na páistí lemonade. Fruit juice is best for children. Sú tortha is fearr do na páistí. Now, listen to these phrases and repeat. I would like a glass of lemonade with ice, please. Bwa liom glynne lemonade le lecair le dahil. Would you like a cup of tea? Wa leat cupán té. Now try saying, I would like a coffee, please. Bwa liom café le dahil. Now, listen to these phrases and repeat. I am thirsty. Tá tart orm. Spring water is good for you. Tá fírisce go maith áit. I would like a pint of milk. Bwa liom punt baine a bheith agam. Would you like some wine? Wa leat Brian Fianna. Red or white? Darug no gal. This wine is very good. Tá fian seo har bár. Now, listen to these phrases and repeat. Milk is good for you. Tá baine go maith áit. Would you like red or white wine? Wa leat fian darug nó fian gheal a bheith agat. Now try saying, I would like some white wine, please. Bwa liom Brian Fianna gheal a bheith agam le dahil. Now some phrases to use in a pub. A pint of lager, beer, please. Punt beor le dahil. What stout do you sell? Cén lean dubh atá ar díal agat. A glass of cider. Glynne leanna úil. A whiskey with red lemonade. Uisce batha le lemonade darug. Can I have 2 gin and tonics, please? Rá gin agus tonic le dahil. Are children allowed in the bar? An bhfuil cad ag páistí a bheith a bhfear. Do you stock any bottled beers? Bhfuil éon bheor I muidéil agat. Now, listen to these phrases and repeat. Can I have 2 whiskies and a gin and tonic, please? An dúr fá, rá uisce beatha agus gin and tonic dom le do thoil. A pint of stout and a glass of lager. Piúnt lean dubh agus gline beorach. Now try saying, can I have a pint of cider, please? An dúr fá, piúnt, lean, úil, rom, le do thoil. Now we will conclude this section by recapping on the vocabulary learned over the last 2 lessons. Listen and repeat. I am hungry. Tá ocras orm. I am thirsty. Tá tart orm. Breakfast. Brígfásta. Lunch. Lón. Dinner. Dinéir. Cereal. Gránúr. Toast. Toasta. Coffee. Cafe. Tea. Té. A snack. Smailc. A sandwich. Cappuire. A ham sandwich. Cappuire. Líomhúise. A toasted cheese sandwich. Cappuire cóise. Toastalta. Vegetarian. Feol sé an tóir. Fruit. Tortha. Vegetable. Glasra. Soup. Anra. A starter. Réamh chomharsa. Junk food. Bia conta. Fish. Iasc. Meat. Feol. Allergic to. Allergach. Peanuts. Peach halloun. A dinner party. Kosher. Dinéir. Guests. Iana. Caterers. Lónadóri. A drink. Deoch. Decaffeinated coffee. Cafe gone caffeine. Tap water. Uisce ón scona. Sparkling water. Uisce cuipithe. Lemonade. Lemonade. Fruit juice. Sú tortha. Spring water. Fíorisce. A pint of milk. Piúnt. Bainne. Wine. Fian. Red or white. Darug no gal. A bottle. Budale. pint of lager, punt bower, stout, lean dove, a glass, glynne, cider, lean oil, red lemonade, lemonade, darug, gin and tonic, gin agus tonic, the bar, an bar, bottled beers, bewer I modéil, whiskey, Uisce Beatha.